All right, here's how to do a question from one of the quizzes. This is the information it gives you at the start. So they say find the cosine of theta minus phi, and then they give you this stuff here, that sine theta is that, cos theta is that, both angles are acute. This information, I think it's critical, but it's nothing that we need. Well, it's important information to have, but it's nothing that you use during the question. Okay, typically this question is often given where you get a fraction. So sine theta, say, is equal to 4 over 5. And so then you know y is 4 and r is 5, and they give you a cos, the same kind of thing. In this case, they give you decimal answers. And they actually ask in the question to find the exact value. And I don't know if you could get exact value because we're dealing with decimals here. So to me, it's not an exact value question. And to do this kind of thing that we had done before, I guess you could do that. So you could call this 0.8717 over 1. So y would be 0.8817 and r is 1. And then this one, same thing, over 1. Call this x, and this is r. And then so in this one you know y and r, so you can use those and find out x. What I did instead, which is sort of another way of doing that, is if they tell me that this is what the sine of the angle is, and I can do this because it's decimal. If it was exact value, I couldn't do it. Anyway, so what I did is just found the arc sine of that angle and found that the angle theta is 61.848. And then I found the cosine of that angle. So the cos of that angle is this. Then I did the same thing over here. Arc cos of this will give me the angle phi. And then once I have that, then I can find the sine of phi is this. So now I can go back to the original question where they're asking what the cos of theta minus phi is. And I can use the identity that's on your formula sheet. And cos of theta is right here. Cos of phi is up here. Sine of theta is right there. And sine, this should be phi. Sine of phi is right there. Plug those numbers in there, multiply, multiply, add, and you come up with that. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.